Fun facts. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Flamingos are known for their vibrant pink feathers and their social behavior. A group of flamingos is referred to as a flamboyance, likely due to their striking appearance and their tendency to congregate in large numbers. These birds are known for their distinctive long legs, curved beaks, and their ability to stand on one leg for extended periods. Flamboyances can consist of thousands of birds and are a common sight in wetland areas across the world. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes, between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. The Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896 is known as the shortest war in history, lasting only 38 minutes. The conflict broke out when Britain, concerned about the successor to the Sultan of Zanzibar, demanded that a pro-British candidate be installed. When the Sultan refused, British warships bombarded the palace, and within minutes, the Sultan's forces surrendered. The brief war resulted in around 500 casualties on the Zanzibar side, with only one British sailor being injured. The war highlighted the power imbalance between the colonial powers and African nations during the scramble for Africa. Honey has a unique chemical composition that makes it difficult for bacteria and fungi to grow in it. As a result, honey never spoils, and it can last for thousands of years without going bad. The high sugar content and acidity of honey create an inhospitable environment for microbes, which means that it can remain edible for a long time if stored properly. Archaeologists have even found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that were still perfectly edible after thousands of years. The world's largest snowflake on record measured 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. According to the Guinness World Records, the largest snowflake ever recorded measured 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. This massive snowflake was observed in Fort Keogh, Montana, in 1887, and its size was attributed to a rare combination of atmospheric conditions. Although large snowflakes are relatively rare, they can occur in certain weather conditions, such as during heavy snowstorms in colder climates. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye. While it is an impressive feat of engineering and spans over 13,000 miles, it is not visible from low Earth orbit without the aid of binoculars or a telescope. Astronauts who have been to space have reported that the wall is difficult to spot and blends in with the surrounding landscape. The myth that the Great Wall is visible from space may have originated from a mistranslation of a statement made by a 1930s travel writer.